Move a little. If I burn you like this now while you're recording, bitch, it'll be very sad.
It will not be very sad. You will have a case coming through.
I'm taking the worst possible angles for my vlog because I can't just. Okay, it's slipping down, 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 down. Okay, awesome. Okay, we are back.
Okay, I think you should hump. Yes.
What does hump mean?
Where are we off to?
Are you excited? Are you excited?
Right.
We are missing you, Shivani, but we are very excited. We reached Maldives! That's right. That's Mehak, who's I don't know what's happening, but we just got our COVID test done at the Malé airport, and now we're heading to the seaplane. And yeah, I'll see you there. I'll see you what it looks like after a while. I'm going.
My nose still feels weird, like it's still like something's off.
Yeah, okay, I have to take Meg's photo now. But yeah, guys, we are traveling after 1.5 years. We're traveling international after 1.5 years.
Again with me?
Yeah. Okay, so no, Radhika traveled before. But me and Mehak traveled to Bali, which was in Feb 2019. And then again, we are traveling together. Yeah, literally, I was going and I was like, Mehak, do you want to come to Maldives tomorrow? And she's like, yeah, bro. This is what happened.
And she even paid for my ticket. Just kidding!
So guys, we are here. Yeah.
I had to glow up.
Yeah. Mehak.
Let me take you directly to the
Yes,
room.
let's go. So guys, this is what the resort looks like. Check it out quickly. So guys, we just reached the villa and Radhika's right here, charging her phone.
Hi!
And I am gonna quickly show you our villa. Okay, that's a really nice setup. Starting from the room, that's our room. That's the bathroom right there. That's a tub looking over the ocean. And that's the deck out here. There's a private pool. Okay, that's a private deck. That's just for us. That's a private pool. It's insane. And just to chill around here. Guys, it looks beautiful. It's too sunny right now, but isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna record everything and take you guys along so you feel like you're here with me. Guys, are we excited for the food? They've been waiting for the food. They're like, fuck the alcohol. Just where's my margarita? And she's like, where's my beef?
Yum!
Thanks for the audio. Day 2, and I would never in my life be happy to wake up at 6 in the morning. Obviously, I would wake up to this. I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up to this? Good morning. Good morning. I was just recording how never in my life I would wake up at 6, 7 in the morning.
always wake up in morning.
Good morning. Good morning. We are training. As usual. I don't know, somehow we always end up winning.
Yeah.
Okay, since I woke up really early and I have time to curl my hair, I am gonna do that. The angle feels really weird, but I don't have any support right now where I can keep the phone. So I'm just gonna keep it this way. Curler works really well. This is gonna be the most boring thing that I do without the speakers because last night our speakers died and like fools, none of us carried the speaker charger and I had to listen to music on the phone because there was no other option. And why, I don't know, why do I sound like this? I don't really have to curl it a lot, but it's already a little curly. Last night I went to the water. Since I've cut my hair, it's been so difficult to curl it because I can't see it and I always burn my ear somehow. So excited for today. Also, by the way, totally forgot to mention this is my second Maldives vlog, and the last time also I came here I was with my girls, and this time also I'm with my girls, which is pretty much how I have a good time. I look like Shakuntala. I look like modern day Shakuntala. Move a little. If I burn you like this now while you're recording, bitch, it'll be very sad. It will not be very sad. You will have a case coming through.
So I'm just gonna have a neater look to start my day. Show them yours, which is the opposite of mine. Oh my god, you look so nice.
Thank you, baby. How cute.
I love this.
Wow, like look at us, like opposite, like straight and curly.
I love this so. Can you do mine?
Yeah, okay, guys, I'm gonna get ready now. I am ready with my makeup. I forgot to shoot the makeup bit, but that my heck, we're twinning. Yeah, yay! Rad. Show your eyes.
I'm changing it. I really don't like this one.
We have the floating breakfast today. I have never done this in my life before, so I'm really very excited. It looks awesome.
That actually looks really good.
Yeah.
So happy to just like haul.
Thank you. We were so hungry. Hi, say hi, Mehak. I'm taking the worst possible angles for my vlog because I can't just, okay, it's slipping down, 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 down. Okay, awesome. We are going snorkeling. Rad.
Wait, there's no signal here. Hi.
Are we excited?
Very, very.
I'm literally, I'm not going to wear a dress. I'm wearing a bikini inside.
To see you snorkel because you don't know how to swim.
That is the information that we don't know about, but we don't need it again. Put on the stand, so I just did my makeup and I am just gonna do my hair. On the way to lunch. Rad, Meg. That's the lunch location. It looks so exciting. We're coming back on the beach. Cheers.
Cheers.
I forgot that I'm recording my video also. I'm just doing cheers in her video. Let's just hope.
So relaxed. I'm just gonna sleep. You keep on making my hair.
Let's just hope that it turns out
Well,
well. Like it curls your hair.
yeah. If it doesn't, then I'll put your pictures on my feed. And guys, then you'll have to follow me instead of following me now.
Just want to tell you the lunch was awesome, as you saw. And now it's time for the sunset. About time. I am very excited for one particular thing in here. Just the hammock right there. Let's click some pictures. Is this Maldivian special dessert?
Yeah, traditional Maldivian.
What is it called?
Maldivian called that donkey kaju.
Sweet.
Banana fritter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this.
Maldivian food was a thing.
I'm gonna try.
What did you say?
Sure.
Swear to God, did not know Maldivian food was a thing.
Now you do. What have you gotten? You got your paneer and roti.
Are you making this video to embarrass me?
Not really.
So what is this behavior?
Rad. What are you up to?
Calculated.
This bad?
My maths is really bad.
but it's okay. We are in Maldives and we can kill it. Oh my god, so cold. How do I go to keep? We are back. Wow. We sure are. Okay. That was awesome. We are back in the room. We had a lovely time.
Whenever.
Honey, I'm sorry. Oh, I want to quit.
It was really hot, and this is day 3. And I forgot what I was gonna say. We are just hurrying up. For some reason, I don't know why I end up setting ahead.
But what is this business of looking so cute, huh? Huh? It's illegal in Maldives.
Meg, you're too cute. Just show your face right now. Like, look at this.
The lighting is not good here. But
Okay, wait. Come on. Earlier, I used to, like as a kid, I used to always tie my hair before eating. Things you do for Instagram. Just had breakfast, and now, oh my, she's also vlogging there. And now we are going right there at the medical center. We have to get a COVID test done before we fly back, which is tomorrow. So yeah, we're just getting our test done, and then we'll probably hang for a bit and go back to our villas again. Wow.
that was such a bad angle for me, but
Okay, sure, I do.
your name is Rapa Dipikapa Sipet, and your name is Bipik Napa.
Say can't happen. No, because E is
No, so
a
it's
vowel.
just how you pronounce the vowel. The P needs to come before and after.
Okay.
So like
So understand.
with you, it's Mepik Napa Kopor.
Normal language.
Let me try it.
Okay.
Up, I love you.
I love you.
Bum.
What's bum?
She's trying to make a sentence.
Okay, I think you should hum. Yes.
What does humprump mean? What is hum?
She said pum, then hum.
Just say it in English first.
Pum. Hum. I think
What are you doing? She's saying it wrong.
Yeah.
What do you mean? What's the
I'm
word?
hungry.
then that pum. I am hungry is like pi pem habang repeat.
How come you repeat?
It's lunch time and I'm only having salad right now because I don't feel like eating anything. My food versus Alex's food versus Rad's food, and that's the view.
But actually, we are going to see the turtles hatching right now.
Turtles hatched, and we are the first people to see it on the island.
Yeah, if you want an
Let's
extra
go.
adult, 195. Yeah?
Do you want to run and go?
Turtle, so it takes 1 or 2 hours from travel from there.
This better be worth it.
Like literally, you wake up here, Megs, Mehak. You wake up like here, and then this is your beach.
Yeah.
So that's how you wake up on an island villa. It's absolutely just as good.
Radhika is a tour guide.
I swear I should be the brand tourist guide ambassador of Maldives at this point. Oh my god, that is so cute.
Okay, we have a total. We are naming him Angel, and we make sure that it gets into the water. And this is the one. This is the one. Yay! We were lost, we couldn't find the lobby, but now we found it.
Literally right there, we were so dumb.
Hi guys, you look really pretty. Turn around. Can you just take a compliment? Say thank you. Finished building my sand castle, which wasn't a success. But I saw something really beautiful. Like there's a wedding photography happening right here. Doors, but I've never seen it in real life. And that looks so.
Come here.
It's JC and finally we're using the tub. We are really excited because we finally got the time and we are having green tea right now because we have to drink tonight.
And we need to let the toxins out. We need to like clear our system.
And look, I need to look as hot as Rad does. So we're having green tea. Out for dinner and we're super late, so I couldn't record it. But guys, let's go. Mehak, you look beautiful.
Okay, I'm not vibing with these earrings. Okay, let's go, let's go.
What is the generation gap, bro? You were like 3 years younger than me. Okay. Yay! Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Because
Okay, let's go. Wait out. I'm gonna open my hair.
I'm sure.
This is what the dinner place looks like.
So pretty. I feel like I'm on a date with
Me.
both of you.
Yeah. Okay. She's gonna be like, oh, okay, this looks very cute. It's for us. Are we excited?
Very, I'm so hungry. This is veg.
This is not veg.
This is non-veg.
Yeah.
What is
What is
that?
that? Chicken?
This is Asian Greek.
Rad vlogging me and I'm vlogging Rad.
Chicken.
Okay, so we were supposed to leave today, but we were having a lot of fun, so me and Radhika decided to stay back. But Mehak has some work commitments, so she has to go. I'll miss you.
I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna miss Maldives. But
We
I
are
was
coming.
so glad.
Yeah.
I am so glad that at least I got to
Yeah,
come
the
here.
last year we were supposed to come together, but again because of work, she didn't
Bidding
make
me
it.
adieu.
We'll miss you.
Oh, I'll miss you guys so
And
much.
it's Rad and my day today then.
Yes, it's subject.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Are we ready for our new villa?
Yes.
We are at the island now, and we are wow, it's so hot. The island now, yes, perfect. And we are going to our island villa. So let's do this. Okay, I look like I'm ready to go back. It's our last morning in Maldives, and then we go back to Bombay. Just back from jet skiing. It was so good. That was my first time doing jet skiing, and I have had the time of my life. I had so much fun. Now in an hour we are going fishing. So I took a quick nap, and now we are on the way to fishing. Rad, show your fishing outfit. Yeah, you can catch the fish right here. ये फिश को फिश खिलाते हैं.
You're Indian?
Congrats! Finally! That was it in Maldives. I hope you guys had fun. I most definitely did. It was a trip after 1.5 years, like an international trip after 1.5 years. I really hope travel's open soon and everything is safe again so we all can travel and have a lot of fun. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time.